We have been with urhobos for quite a long time. It's historical. From during Humanist period. So where are we going? What do we gain? We told it that the Sobag is an agency of government. We are now saying you cannot take us back. The rising star in the Okpe people. Thank you.
Keep the record straight. As youth wing of Okpe Kingdom, Okpe Youth Council, we are born to know that we are urhobo. We do not know where those mischiefs are coming from. We want to appeal and send this message to the general public. Whoever that is propagating that news that Okpe is not urhobo should desist from it.
I want to state categorically that Okpe is urhobo. For those who are propagating the rumor that Okpe is not urhobo, they are dissidents. They are free dissidents, and I want to reaffirm and state clearly that Okpe, historically, linguistically, culturally, politically, is and remain urhobo.
You all have heard what those men said. Those men are from Okpe. Okpe is a community located in urhobo land. Whenever Okpe people say that they are not urhobo people, so many urhobo people are not happy about it because they know that Okpe people are urhobo people, that they are one people. You will be surprised to know that the reason why Okpe people are saying that they are not urhobo is simply because of politics. They might have other reasons, but politics follow. Now, if you listen to what these people from Okpe said, they are saying that they are urhobo people. That press briefing was made by the President General of the 13 districts in Okpe Kingdom and other Okpe leaders. Now, Okpe people do that conference where they see so. They are using their mouth to tell the world that Okpe is an urhobo kingdom. These men said that Okpe Kingdom is an urhobo kingdom. They said that they are urhobo people, culturally, ancestrally, and so on. Since they made this press briefing, the Igbos did not complain. Igbo groups in Delta states, such as Ukwuani people, Eka people, Oshimile people, and onitsha people, they did not complain. They did not say, why are urhobo people forcing Okpe people to identify as urhobo. They did not say, why will Okpe people be forcing urhobo identity on themselves. The Igbos did not say anything. Nobody even know whether these people talk say they be urhobo or they not be urhobo. Nobody know. Nobody did hear about them. So many Igbos don't even know if there is a place called Okpe. Some of them, now as I do this video, they go tell no say, you get where they call Okpe self. Yoruba people are not complaining that Okpe people are saying that they are urhobo people. That will not be Yoruba people problem. Bini people are not complaining that Okpe people are embracing their urhobo identity. That is not Bini people's problem. Other tribes in Nigeria that are fighting Igbo unification, all of them are not complaining that these Okpe people are saying that they are urhobo people. But when we Ukwuani people say that we are Igbo people, you will see so many of these animals in human form backing up and down online, saying that Ukwuani people are not Igbo people. When Ika people say that they are Igbos, you will see those animals coming online to back, saying that Ika people are not Igbo people. When onitsha and Oshimili people say that they are Igbo people, those animals from other tribes will still be backing online, saying that onitsha and Oshimili people are not Igbo people. When Ikwere people say that they are Igbo people, those animals will still be propagating that Ikwere is not Igbo. This is to tell you that there is a war against Igbo identity. There is a war against Igbo unity. The major reason why these minority tribes are fighting Igbo unification is because they are minorities. They are so angry that the Igbo race is the most populous in Nigeria. They are so angry that we have big and large landmass. They are so angry whenever they see us uniting. They are so angry whenever they see Anyama people embracing their Igbo identity. How you expect somebody where we say in tribe they not pass 5 million people? How you think say person from that tribe go they happy to see the Igbo race united? You have to understand human mind, understand human nature. No say human being is naturally jealous. The most talked about tribe in Nigeria is the Igbo race. So many of these tribes, nobody they hear their name. So that jealousy, they just want to scatter Igbo, so that we Ukwuani people will be a minority like them. So that Ika people will be a minority like them. So that Enwani, Oshimili, and Ikwere will be a minority like them. 40% of Delta states is Igbo territory. The entire Delta North, known as Anyoma land, is Igbo territory. These people just want to make sure that Ika people identify separately, Ukwuani people identify separately, Enwani identify separately, Oshimili identify separately, to make sure that all these people see themselves as separate people, to make sure that all these people see themselves as different people from each other, and to make sure that all of them become minorities. A united Anyama people is a majority. Anyama people embracing their Igbo identity and identifying with the entire Igbo race makes Anyama people a majority. But these enemies are fighting it because they want us to scatter like them. But they will fail. Makoni, Igbo, Bofu. That is the major reason why they are fighting us. Every Igbo person should know that all these tribes that are hating us because we are far more better than them. During the genocide against the Igbos, the Igbo race lost everything. We were given only 20 pounds to start up again. But other tribes in Nigeria during that period, they have enough money in their accounts. They are doing fine. That period that Igbos are being killed in the war. 20 pounds that was given to the Igbo race, the Igbos used it, established themselves, and they became the richest tribe in the entire Africa. The Igbo race is the richest black race. How do you expect all these tribes to be happy with the Igbo race? They will not be happy. The thing they pain them. That is the major reason why they want to see us divided. They want to see us scatter, but they will fail. So as an Igbo, no they verse if you see all these mad people, they tell us, say, Ukwuani people are not Igbos, Ika are not Igbos, Enwani are not Igbos, Igbo are not Igbos. Ignore those mad people. All their backing ends in the comment section. For the Igbo race to be better is the collective effort of the entire Igbo race. If we Igbos focus on Igbo land, we not go care waiting those yeye people they talk. We Igbos should make sure that we are building our unity to be stronger. A united people don't care about the stupidity of other people that are fighting them. The only problem we have is disunity in Igbo land. And that is why we are here fighting disunity to make sure that the entire Igbo race unite as a people. During the genocide against the Igbos, Yoruba people were enjoying. We bounced back. We became richer, more than them. Even as suffer today Nigeria, Igbos are still making more money. And you expect people from other tribes to love we Igbos? Okpe people are saying that they are urhobo people. No one is complaining. No one is talking about it. But if we just say that we are Igbo people, you will see so many of them crying online. You will see someone from urhobo land will be telling Ukwuani people, you Ukwuani people, you are not Igbo people. But that urhobo person is busy forcing Okpe people to identify as urhobo. They are uniting themselves and dividing us. You will see someone from Yoruba will be telling Ika people, you Ika people, you are not Igbos. You are Ika. Ika is Ika. Igbo is Igbo. But when Ijebu people say that they are not Yoruba people, you will see those set of Yoruba people crying online, telling Ijebu people, you Ijebu people are Yoruba, whether you like it or not. They want our own to scatter. but they are uniting their own. Human beings are naturally evil. Ika people, wake up. Ukwuani people, wake up. Embracing your Igbo identity does not mean that you are no longer an Ukwuani person. It does not mean that you are no longer an Ika person. You remain Ika, you remain Ukwuani, you remain Ikwere. The name of every Bia-speaking people in this country is Igbo. And that is why it's expected of us to embrace it, to have a voice in politics, to have power, to defend ourselves, and so on. If we embrace our Igbo identity, everything that comes with unity will follow us. No minority wants a majority to be united. Person where you better pass, you want to make that person they wish you well. Now lie. We are in a fake world. Okpe people are united. Southeast is not complaining. Yoruba people are not complaining. Ile-Ibino people are not complaining. No one is complaining. So many people don't even know whether these events that these people did now even happened. Nobody know whether it happened. But when we thought there will be Igbo problem everywhere, you will see so many dogs that have rabies from other tribes will start to bark online. The Igbo unification movement is here to stay. Nobody can divide us. They will try, but they will always fail. Okpe people said that they are not urhobo people. They made urhobo population to reduce. Isoko people said that they are not part of urhobo, that they are separate. It's making their population to reduce. It's making urhobo a minority. It's making Isoko a minority. It's making Okpe a minority. Any urhobo person that wants the Igbo race to unite and also wants Okpe people, Isoko people, and urhobo people to unite as a people, may Chukwu bless that urhobo person. But any urhobo person where they talk say Ukwuani not be Igbo, Ika not be Igbo, Ikwere not be Igbo, Oshimili Adanyocha not be Igbo, where they talk say Anema people not be Igbo, it shall never be well with that urhobo person. Any evil where you wish Igbo people, that evil go they follow your own tribe. We not spoil person own, person not go spoil our own. I have seen so many urhobo people in my comment section backing, telling me Ukwuani people are not Igbo people. They know themselves, many of them. I have also seen so many Yoruba and Isoko people in my comment section telling me you are doing a good job. Make sure that the Igbo race are united. Igbo needs unity. Ukwuani people are Igbos. Those are very good Yoruba and Isoko people. We mean well for other people. No, they wish Igbo race bad. Igbos are not the problem of Nigeria. Yet, those bad eggs are fighting the Igbos, saying that the Igbos are their problem. Are Igbos in power? No. How is the Igbo race now your problem? Anybody from another tribe that is wishing the Igbo race well, may Chukwu bless that person. But anyone where they wish us bad, bad go follow that person. If we go follow that person might not go touch ground. We Anyama people are Igbo people. Ikwere people are Igbo people. The entire South Igbos are Igbo people. Middle Belt Igbos are Igbo people. Igbo bofu, and we must never allow anyone, politics and propaganda to divide us. Ishe Gwale.